Hello
Hello
everyone,
everyone, welcome to our channel again,
Desi
Desi
Lens.
Lens. So today we are going to take you along with us to a beautiful place, Hovenweg Volcano Crater. So this is a small place near the village Mountheim and it is situated in Baden-Württemberg. So Hovenegg is a beautiful mountain crater and it was initially used to mine up basalt. And right now, after mining after so many years, there's a beautiful lake surrounding that area. It is a 1 hour 15 minutes drive from our place, which is in Friedrichshafen, and you can reach it easily by train, and the nearest train station is of Immendingen, and this is a map where you can see this is the train station Immendingen, and this is all the hike which you can do, and situated here is the lake that I was talking about. It is very beautiful and has a striking blue color. So we came here by car, and this is the parking area where we have parked our car. It's a small parking lot right beside the main road. It is very small, so it gets upfilled very easily. So make sure you reach on time so that you get a parking place here. It is also free of cost. And this is where we start our hike. Behind you can see where we start our hike, and it's a beautiful landscape. So as you can see behind me today, it's a lovely weather. It's quite sunny, but it is also windy. When you come for a hike in Germany, it is always handy to have a jacket with you because you do not know when the weather is going to change. So the jacket that I am wearing is windproof and also waterproof because at any time it can start to rain. So it is always better to be well equipped. As you can see behind me, there are a lot of directions which point towards the different ways where you can start towards hiking. These directions are quite helpful and very accurate, but we prefer using the Komoot app. As you can see above, states Hoven Egg Krater, which is where we are going today. So let's go. After walking for some time, we have entered this beautiful forest. It is so breathtaking, so beautiful, the air is so fresh, and you can hear the birds cooing all around you. Right behind me, what you see is an informational board which you can find in most of the forests in Germany. On this board, it states what are the animals that you find around this area. When you decide to take this hike, make sure you are wearing good hiking shoes because it can get very steep, and especially during the rainy seasons when the floor is a little wet, it can get quite slippery. this part of the hike is really beautiful because you walk right alongside the Donau River. It's very beautiful, and this place is very special because, as it is written here, this is a small area where the river Donau at the left side is flowing towards forward side, and if you see here, it's flowing backwards, creating this different kind of ripples. So guys, we have finally arrived towards the main highlight of our hike, which is the Hovenvik volcanic crater. What you see behind me is this naturally made volcanic crater, and below is the naturally occurring lake. This lake is very famous for its striking blue turquoise water, which is super beautiful. From this viewing point, you can see this crater, the lake, and the snow-clad Alps. It is a breathtaking view and a view to die for. Also, right beside this beautiful viewpoint, there is this open area where you can bring a picnic mat and spend some quality time enjoying this breathtaking view. So on this hiking trail, now that we've walked a lot, we are taking a short break. You can see a small imbiss on my left side. And you can enjoy the beautiful view of the mountains which are surrounded all around you. Finally, we have finished our trek, which was of 13 kilometers. It was a long one, and now we are very tired and can't wait to get back home. And if you liked the video, please make sure to comment, like and subscribe. Also share our video with your friends and family. This was summertime in Germany, but as the weather keeps changing, it was quite windy, so we have our jackets on. Also, if you have not seen our previous videos, which were also based in Germany but during the winter time, make sure to go back and check them out. Okay, bye.